Learn Spanish, aprender español. Basic vocabulary, vocabulario básico. 250 daily use words. Hello, hola, welcome to our video on a general framework for vocabulary in Spanish for everyday life. In this video, we will review over 250 words on several subjects, which will be useful to talk about everyday life in Spanish, ranging from vocabulary about your home and common spots around the city to sports and jobs. As we go over each word, try to repeat it out loud in Spanish. This will help you to both remember the vocabulary better and work on your fluency as you get used to making the slightly different sounds used in Spanish. Let's begin with common terms used around the home. The home: apartamento, apartment, jardín, garden, cocina, kitchen, comedor, dining room, sala, living room, estancia, living room, cuarto de lavado, laundry room, escaleras, stairs, recámara, bedroom, cuarto, bedroom, baño, bathroom. The city. Now we'll work on some common words for life in the city. Pueblo, town, ciudad, city, país, country, frontera, border, centro, downtown, edificio, building, edificio de oficinas, office building, edificio de departamentos, apartment building, calle, street, calle principal, main street, esquina, street corner, avenida, avenue, acera, sidewalk, banqueta, sidewalk, túnel, tunnel, puente, bridge, glorieta, roundabout, rotonda, roundabout, camellón, traffic island, mediana, traffic island, estatua, statue, vías del tren, train tracks, monumento, monument, places to visit in the city. Let's switch to places we like to visit in the city. Zoologico, zoo, teatro, theater, cine, movie theater, estadio, stadium, taquilla, ticket booth, museo, museum, pinturas, paintings, escultura, sculpture, hotel, hotel, vestíbulo, lobby, recepción, reception, alberca, pool, piscina, pool, pileta, pool, biblioteca pública, public library, librería, bookstore, libro, book, diario, newspaper, periódico, newspaper, revista, magazine, the park, 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 árbol, tree, pasto, grass, césped, grass, floor, flower, fuente, fountain, banco, bench, nightlife, café, coffee shop, bar, bar, discoteca, discotheque, boliche, discotheque, club nocturno, nightclub, vida nocturna, nightlife, commerce, restaurante, restaurant, centro comercial, shopping mall, escaleras elétricas, escalators, ascensor, elevator, bote de basura, trash can, institutions. In this section, we'll review the names of places in everyday life in the city. Universidad, college, guardería, daycare, jardín de niños, kindergarten, kindergarten, escuela, school, colegio, school, iglesia, church, cementerio, cemetery, gimnasio, gym, club deportivo, sports club, public services, oficina de correos, post office, oficina postal, post office, estación de bomberos, fire station, estación de policía, police station, comisaría, police station, estación de tren, train station, estación del metro, subway station, estación de servicio, gas station, gasolinera, gas station, bencinera, gas station, parada de autobús, bus stop, paradero, bus stop, parada de camión, bus stop, health, hospital, hospital, farmacia, drugstore, veterinaria, veterinary clinic, medicina, medicine, finance, banco, bank, casa de cambio, currency exchange, tarjeta de crédito, credit card, cajero, cashier, dinero, money, efectivo, cash, moneda, coin, billete, bill, stores, mercado, market, supermercado, supermarket, pasillo, aisle, panadería, bakery, tienda de conveniencia, convenience store, transportation. Let's go on with some transportation vocabulary. Carro, car, coche, car, automobile, motocicleta, motorcycle, bicicleta, bicycle, bici, bike. Transporte público, public transport, autobús, bus, camión, bus. Taxi, metro, subway, subterráneo, subway. Train. Emergency vehicles. Ambulancia, ambulance. Patrulla policial, police car. Autobús escolar, school bus. Camión escolar, school bus. Maritime and air transport. Bote, boat. Lancha, boat. Barco, ship. Crucero, cruise ship. Helicóptero, helicopter. Avión, airplane. Traffic signs. Now we'll review how to say traffic signals. Señal de tránsito, traffic sign. Alto, stop sign. Pare, stop sign. Un solo sentido, one way. No entre, do not enter. No pase, do not pass. Límite de velocidad, speed limit. Paso de peatones, crosswalk. Paso de cebra, crosswalk. Despacio, slow. Precaución, caution. Zona escolar, school zone. Traffic light, semáforo, traffic light. Avanzar, go. Disminuya velocidad, caution. Detenerse, stop. Pase, walk. No pase, don't walk. Other traffic signs. Ceda el paso, yield. Cruce de tren, railroad crossing. Peligro, danger. No estacionarse, no parking. General signs. Let's continue with the terms for some other signals. Bienvenido, welcome. Entrada, entrance. Salida, exit. Salida de emergencia, emergency exit. Abierto, open. Cerrado, closed. Sanitarios, restrooms. Baños, restrooms. WC, restrooms. Jalar, pull. Tirar, pull. Empujar, push. Common animals. Now we'll switch to some common animals you might see around the city. Perro, dog. Cachorro, puppy. Cachorrito, puppy. Gato, cat. Gachito, kitten. Pájaro, bird. Paloma, pigeon. Mosca, fly. Mosquito, mosquito. Farm animals. Let's also review some other common animals. Caballo, horse. Vaca, cow. Cerdo, pig. Cochino, pig. Pollo, chicken. Wild animals. Conejo, rabbit. Ardilla, squirrel. Zorro, fox. Coyote, coyote. Lobo, wolf. Geography. Let's continue on to some vocabulary on the weather and climate events. Arroyo, stream. Río, river. Estanque, pond. Lago, lake. Cascada, waterfall. Mar, sea. Océano, ocean. Colina, hill. Cerro, hill. Montaña, mountain. Volcán, volcano. Ecosystems. Bosque, forest. Selva, jungle. Jungla, jungle. Playa, beach. Desierto, desert. Savana, savana. Estepa, steppe. Pradera, prairie. Casquete glaciar, ice cap. And there we have it. You've just learned over 250 essential Spanish words, covering everything from your home to the vastness of space. We're so proud of the effort you've put into learning with us today. Thank you for joining us in another video on learning Spanish. Gracias por acompañarnos en otro video para aprender español. If you enjoyed this lesson and found these pronunciations helpful, it would mean the world to us if you could give this video a like and subscribe to our channel. We have many more lessons coming that will help you on your Spanish learning journey, and please, share your experience in the comments below. Which category was your favorite? What words will you use first? Remember, each section will be further developed in more detail in future videos. We hope you'll join us for the rest of the series on learning Spanish naturally. Your support and feedback help us create better content for you. All comments and suggestions are welcome. We read every single one of them. Nos vemos en el próximo video. See you in our next video. Hasta pronto.